Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down because safety matters. Unplug the machine to avoid accidental starts. Raise the presser foot and turn the hand wheel to lift the needle. This releases tension and aligns thread paths. Cut top thread near the spool and clip bobbin thread ends so they won't tangle when you move parts. Once done, remove the spool and any thread from thread guides. These first steps set up smooth access for the next detailed removal actions. Now you actively remove the thread by tracing it backwards. Pull the top thread gently through each guide, through the tension discs, and out of the take-up lever to free it completely. Next, open the bobbin case or drop-in compartment and lift the bobbin straight out to avoid snagging. Make sure bobbin thread tail is clear. Also inspect under the needle plate and feed dog area and clear any trapped thread so nothing pulls or jams when you rethread or sew again. To finish, reassemble any covers and return parts to their proper position, replace the spool and cap, lower the presser foot, and plug the machine back in to test a brief stitch. If thread snags or skips, make sure the tension discs are clear and the bobbin is seated correctly and wound evenly. Improper bobbin orientation is a common cause. Keep a small brush and lint-free cloth ready for quick cleaning. This prevents repeat tangles and keeps your machine reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.